Hello everyone, myself Balaji Chavan. My today's topic is encapsulation in Java. So, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is one of the fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. Oops, and is implemented in Java in through the use access modifiers such as a private, public, protected, and default. Encapsulation in Java refers to the practice or hiding the internal details or data of an object from the outside world and restricting the direct access to the its data and behavior is the this means that the data and behavior and object are encapsulated within the object and can only access through the specific method provided by the object. Encapsulation in Java, encapsulation is achieved through the use of access modifiers. The private access modifier is used to restrict access to the other members and class only the class itself to access by. The public access modifier allows to access member the class from any part of the program. The protected access modifier is similar to private allows to access is derived class or same package, and default is allows to only within same package, not different package. Encapsulation has several advantages in Java programming, including first one is security. By hiding the internal details of an object, encapsulation helps to the prevent the unauthorized access to modification of the object in the data. Second is modularity. Encapsulation makes the easier to modify the and maintain code since change the internal implementation of an object do not affect the rest of the program. Next one is abstraction. Abstraction is a encapsulation provides to a way abstract away from the complexity. Object is means easier to use to understood. Code reusability. Next one is code reusability. By encapsulating the behavior and object within the object itself, the code can be used in other parts of program without requiring significant of modification. Overall, encapsulation is an important principle. This is the Java programming and essential with writing a clean, maintainable to source code. Java encapsulation implemented use access modifiers, which is determine the level access of the field method, and there is no for access of modifier in Java, and that is first one private, protected, public, and default, also known as package private. Private fields and method make are private can only the access within the same class. This means that these fields are and methods cannot be accessed by any other class, and even they are in the same package. So that's all about encapsulation in Java. Thank you so much.